responsible, R-S-P.
Lesson 29, let's begin with brief forms.
Responsible, R-S-P. Worth, over it. Public, P-B. Publish or publication, P-B. Shon or ish. Experience, E-S-P. Usual, ish. World, Recognize, R-K-N long I left S.
Word beginning X is represented by sound of ES.
Extra, E-S-T-R-A. Extra. Examine, E-S-A-M-N. Combination of letter M and letter N. Extremely, E-S-T-R-E-M-E. Lee. Tiny circle for Lee. Expenses, E-S-P-N says for says, the left and then the right S. Expert, E-S-P-R-T. Excellent, E-S-E-L-E, then full blend of N-T. Excuse, E-S-K-E-U-U, right S. Excuse. Extensive, E-S, then full blend of T and N, left S, V. Exception, E, left S, E, P, shon or ish. Exception.
Word ending full is represented by sounds of F.
Careful, K-A-R for care and then F for full. Doubtful, D-A-U-U-T for doubt and then F for full. Grateful, G-R-A-T-E-F-U-L GRAT for great, and then F for full. Useful. S for use, and then F for full. Thoughtful. Underneath, OT for thought, and then F for full. Beautiful. BEOOTE, beauty, then F for full. Helpful. Sound of H. ELP, help, and then F for full. Helpfully. Sound of H. ELP, help, F, full, then tiny circle, fully. Li, sound of Li. So, helpfully. Helpfulness. Sound of H, ELP, help, F, full, NES, ness, helpfulness.
Word ending kal and kel is represented by a disjoint K.
Chemical. So, KEM for chem, and then disjoint K for cal. Medical. MED for med, then disjoint K for cal. Identical. Long I, full blend of den, DN, T, and then cal. Identical. Logical. LOJ for logic, disjoint K for cal. Political. POLET, polit, disjoint K for cal. Technical. TEKN, techn, and then K for cal. Physically. FES, physically. Articles. ART for art, and then disjoint kel, S for kels.